Have you ever tried to speak English, but your brain keeps translating from your native language first? You think, translate, then speak. By that time, the moment is gone. Today, this stops. Welcome to Plain Simple English. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to think directly in English. No more translating in your head. No more slow sentences. If you want more lessons like this, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. When someone speaks to you in English, what happens? You hear English words. Your brain translates to your native language. You think of an answer in your language. You translate back to English. Then finally, you speak. This takes so much time. The moment passes. You feel slow and frustrated. But here's the truth. This is not a language problem. This is a habit problem. And habits can be changed. Fluency is not just in your mind. It's in your mouth, your tongue, your daily habits. To think in English, connect words directly to actions. Not through translation, but through experience. When you see a dog, you don't translate first. You just think dog. Why? Because the word and the thing are connected. We need to do the same with English sentences. Connect them to your life through daily practice. Technique 1. Narrate your life. When you cook, say, I'm cutting vegetables. I'm boiling water. When you walk, say, I'm going to the shop. The weather is nice. When you get ready, say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm drinking coffee. This feels strange at first. But this is how children learn. They connect words to actions directly. No translation needed. Do this for 5 minutes every day while doing your routine activities. After 2 weeks, English words will start coming naturally. Without thinking. Without translating. Technique 2. Shadowing. Find a short English clip, maybe 30 seconds. Listen to one sentence. Immediately repeat it. Copy the rhythm, tone, and speed. For example, I went to the market yesterday. You say, I went to the market yesterday. Match their rhythm exactly. Do this with 5 sentences daily. Your brain starts thinking in English patterns. The rhythm becomes natural. You stop translating word by word. Technique 3. Daily sentences. Practice 10 common sentences every morning. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Could you help me with this? What time is it? How much does this cost? That sounds good. Say them 10 times each, out loud. Why does this work? These sentences become automatic. When the situation comes, your brain doesn't translate. It just speaks. Like a reflex. After 1 month, these will flow naturally. Technique 4. Think aloud. Throughout your day, describe what you see and do. Waiting for the bus. There are many people here. A bus is coming. Eating food. This is delicious. It's a bit spicy. Working. I'm writing an email. I need to finish this. You're living in English, not just studying it. Every week, record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Talk about your day, or any topic. Listen back. You'll hear mistakes, but also progress. After 1 month, compare your first and latest recording. You'll be amazed. This builds confidence. Remember this. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Stop waiting for perfect sentences. Even native speakers make mistakes. Start with small, simple sentences. Let English become part of your daily life. When English becomes part of your life, thinking in English becomes natural. It's not magic. It's habit. You learned 4 powerful techniques today. Narrate your life, use shadowing, practice daily sentences, and think aloud. These work if you practice daily. Just 10 minutes a day can transform your English. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to Plain Simple English. Share with friends learning English. Which technique will you start today? Narrating your life. Shadowing. Daily sentences. Write in the comments. I read every one. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep growing. See you next time.